Inspect, check, troubleshoot, or repair a fuel system. A healthy fuel system keeps the engine running safely and reliably, no matter the phase of flight. Even small faults, like a loose cap or a hidden leak, can lead to serious risks, such as fuel starvation, fire, or engine failure. Every time you work on a fuel system, follow the complete process. Start by inspecting, then test it. If needed, repair it. Always verify the result before releasing the aircraft. Before starting the inspection, take a moment to understand what the fuel system is meant to do. It stores and delivers fuel in every phase of flight, including takeoff, climb, cruise, and landing. Because of heat, pressure, and vibration, each part must be secure, sealed, and working as intended. To start the inspection, begin with a full visual check of the fuel system. Look for any signs of leaks, corrosion, dents, or looseness. Pay close attention to filler caps, filler necks, bonding straps, fuel lines, and the tank surface. Make sure everything is secure, clean, and free from visible damage. As you inspect each surface, keep an eye out for any signs of leaking fuel. Not all leaks are the same. You may find a stain, a light seep, or an active leak. A stain is dry and discolored. A seep looks moist but stays in place. A running leak drips or flows and is never airworthy. Document what you see and tag the area if repair is needed. Once the visual inspection is complete, perform functional checks on the system. Move the fuel selector through all positions and watch for smooth operation. Check the accuracy of fuel quantity gauges and low fuel warning systems. Drain fuel from sump points using a fuel tester and inspect for water, debris, or discoloration. If contamination is found, keep draining until the sample is clean. If the fuel system shows abnormal behavior, begin by identifying the root cause. Fuel starvation means no fuel is reaching the engine, even if fuel is on board. Fuel exhaustion means the fuel supply is gone. Also, check for airlocks in the lines, clogged filters, blocked vents, or faulty valves. Each of these can interrupt fuel flow or give misleading readings. Once the fault is identified, carry out the appropriate repair. Replace any leaking or cracked fuel lines using approved clamps and sealants. If the filler cap is damaged or not sealing, install a new cap or replace the gasket. Blocked vents must be cleared carefully to restore airflow. After every repair, recheck the system and verify that the leak or fault is fully resolved. Before making a repair, know the type of tank you're working on. Bladder tanks are flexible and removable. Riveted or welded tanks may need internal cleaning and sealing. Integral tanks are part of the airframe and require sealing from inside. Always use approved sealants and follow the correct procedure for each type. Before working on any part of the fuel system, take proper safety precautions. Bond and ground the aircraft before starting work. Use non-sparking tools and wear protective equipment. If the tank has been drained, ventilate it fully before entry. Fuel vapors are flammable. Work carefully and never rush safety steps. After making any repair, inspect the system one more time. Check all connections, run a sump drain test, and inspect the fuel tank for any leftover debris from the repair. Verify that no leaks remain. Fuel system work is never complete until the problem is fixed, the system is clean, and your documentation is clear. Reliable repairs start and end with careful inspection.